Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to make a cathedral window design for the cushion cover. The size of the cushion is 14.5 by 14.5 inches. To make a cathedral window design, here I'm going to take a golden chiffon fabric. The length and the width of this fabric is 1 inch extra from the actual cushion cover fabric. Fold the fabric diagonally and cut in the middle. Fold it again and cut. That will give you 4 triangle shapes. Now I am going to hem each triangle from 2 sides. After hemming from the side, now I am going to attach them on the cushion cover. Secure the fabric with the help of pins. Place the bottom of the cushion cover right side facing downwards and do a side seam all around it. After sewing, turn the right side out. Here I am going to use a needle to attach these triangle in the middle, and also going to attach a button on top. If you like my video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.